Hey, boys and girls, Coach H, Coach Blackburn coming to you from Coach H and Coach Blackburn's bowling lanes. We got a different game for you to try at home this week, boys and girls. It is water bottle bowling or plastic cup bowling, whatever you have. I'm going to show you a couple options. What I have is water bottles. I left a little bit of water in them. I got 6. You could use 3, whatever you want to use. If you have plastic cups or whatever you have that you can set on the ground that stacks up, boys and girls. So you can ask your mom or your dad to see if they have anything. And always remember to ask your parents first if you can actually play in the house. If not, just go outside on your sidewalk. I showed you in here because it's a little easier to hear versus outside. But I got the water balls. I have a tennis ball. I'll say you can also use another ball of socks if you don't have a ball. I'm going to go set it up, and Coach Blackburn is going to tell you the rules.
All right, good morning. Now, while Coach H is setting up our bowling lane, remember this game can be played with 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, up to as many people as you have. Now, as he's setting it up, rules are you get 1 chance. Remember, in bowling, we always use an underhand roll. Underhand roll. No overhand. No sidearm. Remember, when you bowl, the ball or the sock or whatever thing you're bowling with must roll on the ground. Okay? Now, each person gets 1 chance. You get 1 chance to knock over as many objects as you can. So if I take my first turn, and I roll and I knock over 6 pins or 6 cups or 6 bottles, that's 6 points for me. Now remember, let's remember about sportsmanship. If I go, I don't get to go again. I always have to let my partner go first before I can go again. Now, what's a good way to see who gets to go first? Remember, play rock, paper, scissors. Okay, because let's see. You can see how the Coach H set up the water bottles in a triangular fashion. Remember, when we bowl, we put all the things in a triangular fashion. If you want to, put them in a circle. You make the design, but me and Coach are showing you the right way to put the objects in a bowling alley. Okay? There you go.
That's what it looks like, boys and girls. Sorry, laptop, I don't know how to do the phone. 3 in the back, 2 in the middle, 1 in the front makes a triangle.
Okay, now remember, you and your partner have to pick a spot to bowl from. Would it be fair if I picked a spot closer to the bottles than my partner, Coach H? No. Let's remember sportsmanship. We have to bowl from the same spot. So right here would be a very good spot to bowl from. All right, now we're going to play rock, paper, scissors to determine who goes first.
All right, ready?
Rock, paper,
scissors, shoot. Oh, I got it again.
He won, so I'm going to allow him to go first.
All right, boys and girls, I'm going to pick the tennis ball. Like I said, if you don't have a ball, any type of ball, it don't matter. It could be big, little. Obviously, if it's bigger, you can have a better chance of making it, or you have a ball of socks. And remember, you have to add. In a real bowling alley, this adds it for you. So, hey, you can help your math, work on your math, too. All right, so you just got to add up each time you go. All right, so I'm going to pick this line right here, and we'll both bowl from there. So here we go. Overhand roll. I'll swing one back, tick top. Oh, I only got 1 point.
Okay. Now, whoever bowls, if you knock them down, it's your responsibility to set them up for the next person. It's good sportsmanship. So Coach H knocked down, I think, 1 bottle, so he gets 1 point. Now he's going to hand me the object. Now it's my turn. Okay. I'm going to pick the same spot he chose from. Remember, I want to underhand roll. I don't ever want to do sidearm or overhand. All right, so I'm going to come back.
Oh, we got 2.
Okay, I knocked down 2, so it's my job to set them back up for Coach H.
All right, so right now Coach Blackburn's winning. He has 2. I have 1, so we'd go on the round 2. A real bowling game, boys and girls. I think there's 10 frames?
10 frames.
10 frames. I can't remember. So you could go however many frames you want to and just keep adding your score. Remember, boys and girls, we're just trying to show you stuff to keep you going crazy, being inside all the time. Remember, go outside and play. Just play. That's all we're trying to get you to do is just play. Be kids, okay?
All right. So, hey, have a good week. Stay tuned for more videos next week. Miss you. We'll see you again.
All right. Bye, kids.